How to change ringtones for incoming calls on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Static Studio, and today's quick video I'll show you how you can change your iPhone ringtone with iOS 18. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video, guys. Well, so changing your iPhone ringtone is pretty quick and easy. Simply go ahead and open up the settings application from your device and then scroll down and go ahead and tap on sounds and haptics, and from here tap on ringtone and tap on the SIM card that you want to change the ringtone for. And once you have tap on this one, you'll get to see available ringtones right here, so you can actually go through this process and can check the ringtone, or if you already have a favorite one, you can go ahead and select the ringtone that you want to set. And your ringtone will be set it up with the specific one. But if you're not happy with these ringtones, then you can scroll up and tap on Tone Store from here, and you can download the iTunes Store from the App Store, and you can download more ringtones for your iPhone as well. And this is how you actually can change the ringtone for incoming calls on your iPhone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.